Innovation is in our DNA. It's where we come from. It's what we do. When we launched the first mass-produced sterile suture, we changed the world. Patient survival rates skyrocketed, and the age of modern surgery began. Today, our technologies continue to save lives. Doctors rely on us to make surgeries possible. Whether it's a few stitches on a child's knee or Prolene sutures holding a beating heart together, our products help people heal so that they can breathe, eat, work, and play. The future belongs to the brave. Together, we'll strengthen our core, and we'll launch innovations that will dramatically improve tissue healing and repair. Innovation is our past, present, and future. Patients need us. The world is waiting for us. The moment is now.